Sandeep, thank you for this thought. So let's move to another segment. This is the most exciting segment for me. I'll introduce you to Mr. Vikram Mure, who's the director of product marketing in Lenovo. And Vikram, I'm going to leave you guys with one question. You'll have to, and I'm going to listen to all your insider secrets. So, Sandeep and Vikram, definitely you both have consumer facing product, right? And it is consumed by people and your feedback is given and then you improve. That's the usual state. But we have seen exponential growth happening in last 18 months because of COVID, and things have the digital transformation has happening at a very rapid space. Now when this happens, as a layman, as an end user, what do I expect from a computing giant and driving, or how do I say it, Droom? What do you call it, Sandeep? What is the terminology that you guys use for Droom?
Sorry, in terms of what?
So in terms of say, now I can say Lenovo's computing giant. What do I refer Droom as? Is this is a
Well, we'll online e-commerce platform for automobile.
so the automobile wonder?
Sounds a little bit more boring,
No,
but
no.
yes.
So it's so one is computing giant and one is automobile wonder of India. So yeah,
Right.
I'm all yours. Please tell me, what do I expect as a layman? So who's going to start, Vikram or Sandeep? I think Sandeep, you should start.
Okay,
Yeah, Sandeep. Because I love the way he articulates things. He remembers all the anecdotes. He goes with one particular streamline, and it's easier for me to just consume that data, and that eventually is good quality for anything that if you going forward. If you do any podcast interviews, Sandeep, I'm telling you, that's the space that you want to be in. So yeah, please tell us.
Yeah. So by the way, Rishikesh, sorry, but like, you want me to talk about what to expect from us,
Yeah.
or like?
From an industry perspective, so overall perspective, there since you have pioneered this thought in this country, right? Now, definitely we want to know what, not your plans, but as an industry, where do you think, where do you see this industry moving towards, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Vikram, first of all, pleasure meeting you, and Rishikesh, thank you for all the kind words. Rishikesh and Vikram, like, I would say that, look, I feel very fortunate where we sit 7.5 years after founding Droom as India's first e-commerce platform meant to enable automobile buying and selling, shifting online, right? I mean, when we talk about travel moving online, nobody would have believed in 1994, 1998 that rarely you will go to a travel agent's office or a travel company and say, I need a aisle seat, I need a window seat, I need this kind of hotel, right? And this car category has largely moved online. You look at electronics, mobile, computer, so much of that has moved online. Like, in USA, I think, if I'm not wrong, every 6% find their life partner whom they meet on Tinder or Bumblebee, right? So there has been a very rapid digitization category by category in the last 27 years of internet, right? When I started my first company, ShopClues, way back in 2011, that time Indians would not even buy a best-selling Chetan Bhagat 200 rupees book, because unlike US, Western Europe, and Japan, India is a low trust market, right? And e-commerce was so, like, for India it was early, while globally it was 17-year-old industry. But now, if you look at, however funny this may sound, but right from finding a life partner to a dating partner to taking admission in college to changing job, relocation, luxury vacation package, and buying automobile, all are enabled by internet. And the way industrial revolution in 1750 permanently changed the global economy in terms of mass production. Production happens not by human hands, but by machinery, right? Fixed pricing, global distribution, branding, right? All these were not used by the medieval or ancient economies for thousands of years. Same way, I feel very lucky and fortunate to be part of our internet industry, new age economy, and particularly e-commerce. And it's a very, very exciting industry. And in my view, next 15 years, the new age companies can completely change the face of India in terms of how people discover something, how they buy, how they pay for it, how they consume, right? And another thing, what is happening is uh, this industry is helping in social transformation. So you don't, it is making the products and offering and servicing and expertise geography agnostic, right? And time agnostic. You don't need to attend certain, at something at 9 a.m. You don't need to attend something at a certain venue. You don't need to hear it from someone live only, right? So all these sounds very simple things, but and I'm just staying at a very high generic level, but I feel that if industrial revolution and renaissance and many other things were a precursor to what can happen with it, internet, I still feel in 27 years just a beginning of how the human habits and consumption pattern are changing. And I feel very lucky to be doing it twice, one for e-tailing and once for automobile.
Great perspective. What do you think, Vikram?
Yeah, I think good question, Rishikesh. And I think what I liked about Sandeep's response was the perspective which he gave in terms of how the industrial revolution changed and this probably the next revolution. What I would do is probably talk about a slightly narrow time factor, which is the COVID related period. And you're right, Rishikesh. I think the industry has changed. I luckily happen to be in an industry which has been blessed due to COVID, with PC penetration levels increasing. But if I were to sum up for businesses, which primarily we cater to, or my business units cater to, what we're seeing is a rapid expansion clearly. One is the PC penetration levels, while on a home level, they are increasing. Even in businesses, desktops are getting replaced by laptops, or even per employee, PC penetration increasing. So that's one trend which you have clearly seen over the last 18 or over 22 months. The other thing is more and more people, to take a cue from what Sandeep said last, you don't have to be at that venue at 9 a.m. to listen to it. So which means you consume a lot of data remotely, you do a lot of work remotely, and that's going to place challenges on us and our peers in terms of providing devices which can work remotely, which can work securely, and which can be managed. I think those are the challenges which we had been grappling with. I would say currently we have solutions which take care of that.
Yeah, I mean, again, as a layman, I'll wait for things to happen. But it's a very exciting era to be in. When they say, right, I'm 85 born and I have seen everything. And sometimes I wonder, is this real? When I say, now for that matter, room, now this technology, who might have thought this? Lekin abhi baiths hai, to, and the best part is now, Sandeep, just my personal thing. So when I think about, having a car which I cannot afford at this point of time, right? But company like Droom, enable me to do that. So, that is something, adding to customer delight rather than, customer, your basic needs are fulfilled and that is automated. But the customer delight where, I have the freedom and I have the ability to, select whichever my personal preference or personal dream car that I can ride. So, yeah, very interesting. So that was Sandeep Agarwal for you guys. He's relentless, unstoppable. I mean, he has a characteristic that believes in passion, perseverance, and patience. And he does not shy away from the struggles, but he focuses more on the goals than challenges. And you see, the result is right in front of us. So Sandeep, again, thank you so much. Thanks for your time. Your journey was inspirational. It is inspirational. Do something. Please make sure that this story goes out to more number of people. Definitely will try it from our end. But stories like these are very important for the generation that is going through a very tough phase in their life, because they've been learning things online from last 2 years. Many different thoughts could come in their mind and they can change their way. But if they just follow your story, they know it, that if you have thought about something, just stick to it. It will take time, but you will reach to the right point.
Thank you, Rishikesh. Thank you for having me. I absolutely enjoyed our conversation. Thank you for all the kind words. I'm doing my part and will continue to do that. But thank you for having me.
Yeah, thank you so much.